The federal government has ordered the immediate shutdown of 41 federal unity colleges across the country following heightened security concerns in several regions. The directive was issued in a circular dated November 21, 2025, released by the Federal Ministry of Education and approved by the Minister of Education. According to the document, the decision became necessary in light of recent security challenges and the urgent need to forestall any potential breaches in the affected schools. The ministry instructed principals of the listed colleges to enforce the closure without delay, stressing full compliance across all affected states. The 41 schools span the Northwest, Northeast, North Central, and parts of the South. The circular, signed by the Director of Senior Secondary Education, Hajia Abdul Kadir, on behalf of the Minister, emphasized the government's resolve to prioritize the safety of students and staff.